Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer cryptocurrency with Coinbase, full guide step by step clearly. Open your Coinbase app or website. Log into your account using your credentials. Ensure your account is verified for optimal security. Navigate to the Assets tab on the main dashboard. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Click on the Send button associated with that asset. In the recipient field, enter the wallet address you want to send to. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. Review the transaction details carefully. Consider adjusting the network fee if desired. Click the Continue button to proceed with the transfer. You may be prompted to confirm your identity via two-factor authentication. Follow the instructions to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will see a final confirmation screen. Review the information one last time before finalizing the transaction. Click the Send Now button to complete the transfer. Wait for the confirmation message indicating the transaction is successful. Track the status of your transaction in the Recent Transactions section. Congratulations, you have successfully transferred cryptocurrency using Coinbase. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.